welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Cyxus blue filter glasses to protect your eyes from those harmful blue rays from computers or other monitor devices. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. So I did the unbox last time. So since my 99 cents blue ray filter does not protect my eyes, so I just go and then get this another one. Because you want to protect your eyes. Once you lose your vision, then that's it. So I got a nice Cyxus case, not just eyewear. Okay. Got the nice velvet finish on the inside of the case. Come with a microfiber cleaning cloth with their branding on there. So this one's the round metal style. Pretty nice. So there are some other different colors, like a black finish, silver. So this nose piece is a soft silicone instead of a hard plastic. And you just wanted to look at the hinges. So this one's pretty high quality made. It's $17.99 plus tax. It's about less than $20, 19 something, almost $20. So this is the kit that comes with it. You could test out the blue rays. Let me check it out real quick. So I'm going to shine the blue rays on there. Oh, this one is broken. Anyway, let me get my other kit that came with the previous one. What? Somebody coming on. Anyway, that one's pretty low. So this is another one that I got from the previous one. So you see, without the glasses, you're gonna have those blue ray, and it's gonna be harmful for your eye. So imagine you wear these glasses, and then the blue ray is gonna shine through it. And then there's nothing. Okay, let's see if I hold it closer. yeah, if you hold it right at the test card, then yeah, it's gonna have, get so close to the, you're not gonna look at your monitor like that so close, okay? So yeah, what I did was I tested out the 99 cents that I got from China, and then I tested out like that, about this distance, and I can see the blue dot still. So yeah, so this one's been tested, and it blocks out the, well, 99.9%. I'm not gonna say 100%, because if you hold it that close, you still see the blue stuff on there. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.